folks. Going into Asda to get wine, cider, and something else. I can't remember, but I've only got 10% left on my phone, folks. So here we go. Isn't it? There we go. There's Henny's cider. Hello there. Hello. There we go. My folks, spotted by a fan there. There she goes. Where she goes. Right. Henny's cider. This is always one dry cider. Always choose dry cider for your carrots, folks. It just gives it a better sort of, well, a drier flavour, basically. Yes, that's it. And I've got rosemary. I've got my chicken fillets, and we're ready to go. I think that's it. It's just got very stormy all of a sudden, folks. So, just going to go home now and just make the tea and chill out. Get cosy in the house, folks. Chill out and just look at my hair, man. Chill out. And how many times can I say chill out? Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. That's what we're going to do, folks. Wait to make the tea now. So next time I see you, folks, I'll be in the kitchen. Right, I'm in the kitchen, folks. Now, just wait to make my carrots in cider, rosemary, and a touch of honey, folks. That's the way I do them. They are delicious. And here it is again, the Henny's cider, dry cider. So let's get on with this. Just going to have to peel the carrots and baton them, and then just get on with it, boil them. It's 4:45. So I think tea will probably be ready by about 6. The spuds and the carrots are on, folks. There we go. Now, folks, I ain't no wine connoisseur, but I do like this J.P. Shennett Reserve wine, man. It comes in this strange looking bottle. They always have it like this. It's got a dimple at the side as well and underneath. But it's just a really nice, tasty, juicy kind of wine. I just like it, man. I wouldn't, go to say, oh, I can taste the lambs leaping across the meadows and all that kind of stuff, But, yeah, so there we go. It was £6, but it was reserved. It was reduced to £4.50 or something. So I thought I'll treat myself and we'll have this nice glass of red wine to go with my chicken and potatoes and carrots. So there's a Merlot Cabernet, so a nice sort of, just nice juicy heavy wine to cozy up with and watch the chase. Am I getting old, man? Am I getting old? The simple things in life I just like now, like that, just sitting down, having my tea, watching the chase, getting all the answers right, and a nice glass of vino, man. And I've also got my bread as well, so we're sorted. And the evening paper as well, yes. What's the headline in the paper today? Teenager accused of attacking dad with a hammer. Oh my goodness me. What a world we live in. That's all you get in the papers these days is death, destruction, people sent to jail. You never see a headline in the paper which is like a really nice thing, like a big smiley face or something. Wouldn't that be nice if you got a newspaper, a big smiley face, and it would make you smile for the rest of the day, wouldn't it? Oh, my goodness me. Okay, anyway. Now, while we're here, folks, here's a thing for you. The nicest noise in the world, as voted for by the general British public, was a glass of wine getting poured, glug, 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 glug. That was voted the best noise. I think second was like a cat purring or something. So, we're going to, let's have a listen. Écoutez, écoutez. So, did you agree with that? Glug, 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 glug. I'm sure it would have been much better with a roasting fire behind it, a log fire, and you would have heard it into a wine glass. Glug, glug, glug. I've just put it into this little glass here, so anyway, let's taste it. Yeah, it's lovely. Right, folks, well, that's the meal finished. Now, for just potatoes, carrots, and a chicken breast, the dishes, the pile-up of dishes, it's incredible. You've got 2 pots, I've got plates, I've got the grill thing, I've got glasses, I've got cups and everything, and I've been left to do the dishes, folks. There's a bit of bread left, look. So I might have some strawberry jam on that later on. There's the gravy thing. I mean, it's just such a mess left just for such a simple meal. Anyway, folks, so right, here we go. Let's do these dishes. Cheers. God, fuck, some dribble. Right, smile, please. And another one. Just smile. You stand closer. That's it. Well, one more. That's where the flash. Remember the flash mechanism on these things, folks. Look. Oh, the flash bulb would move around, and remember you have to take this to the chemist, or why was it the chemist you had to take the film to, remember? And you would wait for it to get developed. Or did you just send it away? I think you sent it away, didn't you? Can't remember, but there we go. So a 355 Instamatic camera. Fantastic. They don't make things like this anymore. So this lovely plastic it's got there, man. It's just excellent. I love this retro style. Excellent. Now, smile, please. No, it didn't work, did it?